Hello friends, and welcome back to Unbound Learners. Happy Friday, everybody! Are you ready to sing our good morning song together? Let's make our arms into a big circle out in front like this. Now raise that circle up, up, up high. Give a little stretch. One side. Stretch over to the other side. Now let's bring that circle back down in front of us. And now it's time to sing. If you know the words, sing along with me. Here we go. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. What a busy week we've had. Are you ready to jump right into circle time with our calendar and weather chart? Here we go. The first thing that we do is talk about the date. And when we say the date, we begin with the month. The month is right up here. Do you know what it is? February. The month is February. And today is February 19th. So let's move the chip over from yesterday to today. Today is February 19th. And right up here we have the year. Do you know what the year is? 2021. That's right, friends. Let's say the date together one more time. Here we go. Today is February 19th, 2021. Okay, now it's time to count all the days that we've had in the month of February. So let me see those counting fingers and warm them up. Let's start at the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We've had 19 days in the month of February. All right, everyone, now it's time to sing the Days of the Week song. How many fingers should I hold up for this song? 7, that's right. Can you show me 7 fingers? Let's start with one hand. There's 5 fingers. And 2 more make 7. If you know the words, sing along with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now let's travel down to right here. Do you remember what the day was yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. That's right. And if yesterday is Thursday, that means that today is Friday. That's right, friends. Today is Friday. And tomorrow will be Saturday. That's right. But let's go back to today. Will you sing Today is Friday with me? Here we go. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday all day long. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday all day long. Now let's travel back up to the chart. Right up here, we have the season. Do you know what the season is? Winter. That's right, friends. It's winter time. And now it's time to travel back down to right here. That means that it's time to sing the weather song. Will you sing it with me? It goes like this. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Take a look at the picture that I have right here. Do you see what it is? Snow! That's right, friends. When I look outside my window, I see the snow falling. but only a little bit of snow is falling. Do you remember what a little snowfall is called? A flurry. That's right. It's flurrying outside of my house. Only a little bit of snow is lightly falling from the sky. And my temperature chart is still on blue. It's a cold day where I live. What's the weather like where you live, friends? Look outside your window and let me know what you see. Thanks for sharing with me. Okay, everybody, it's time to move on to the letter of the week. Now, because today is Friday, today will be the last day talking about this letter. Do you remember the 2 sounds that this letter makes? Let's start off with the short sound first. The short sound sounds like ah, 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 and the long sound sounds like oh. And this is the letter O. You're right, friends. This is the letter O. This is a lowercase o, and it makes 2 sounds, a short sound, ah, and a loud, long sound, oh. Are you ready to guess what's inside of the letter box today? Let's see what I have. Remember, I have something inside of this box that starts with the letter O. Are you ready for your first clue? This is a shape, and this shape has 8 sides. Do you know what it can be? Here it is. This is an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Octo means 8. Will you count the sides with me? We'll start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octagon has 8 sides. An octagon starts with the letter O. We've also been talking about this number, and today will be the last day talking about this number. Do you remember what number this is? 11! That's right, friends. This is the number 11. Now, we've been counting 11 tally marks. As I write the tally marks at the bottom, will you count them with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 tally marks. And inside of the box, I have 11 acorn tops to count. Let me gather them all up. As I count them, I'm going to line them up on the top of the box. Will you count with me? Here we go. These 2 are connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 acorn tops. This week we've been learning how to clean up after ourselves. But today is Friday. It will be the last day practicing that skill. Now, when you go to bed at night, where do you rest your body? That's right, a bed. And what do you have on your bed to keep your body nice and warm and comfy? Blankets, maybe some sheets. What else? Where do you rest your head? That's right, a pillow. And maybe you also have some stuffed animals in your bed. Now, when you wake up, maybe your blankets are all bunched up together, maybe your blankets fell off, maybe your pillow or some stuffed animals fell off your bed. Your bed may look a little bit messy. Now, when you clean up your bed, it's called making your bed. Come on, I'll show you how to do it. So here we are inside of my son's bedroom, and this is his bed right here. Now, he didn't make it, as you can see, because that's what your work is going to be today, and I wanted to show you how to do it. So let's take a look at this bed. You can see that the blankets are all bunched up right here. The stuffed animals are all over the place, and look at the pillow. It's right in the middle. So for today's work, you will need a messy, unmade bed like this one. Now the first thing that my son does is start off with his blankets. So let's see, let's move the pillow out of the way. And you're going to pick an end of the bed to start on. So either the foot of the bed, which is the bottom, or the head of the bed, which is the top right here. And that's what my son does. So he starts off with this blue and green blanket because it's the biggest blanket. And he stands at the head of the bed. And you're going to find two corners. Hold one corner in each hand, 1, 2, and you're going to lift the blanket up. And as it falls down, it's going to neatly cover the bed, like this. Up and drape it down. Do you see how the blankets spread neatly over the bed like this? And if you see any bumps or any creases that need to be flattened out, you can just go ahead and do it like this. So smooth out any bumps or creases that you may have. Now he goes on to the second blanket. So find a corner, one corner in this hand, one corner in this hand, and you're going to lift it up and it's going to drape neatly over the bed. Let's try it. Look at that. This did not happen exactly how I hoped it would. So I'm going to take a deep breath and try it again. All right, I'm going to try to lift the blanket up again and spread it neatly. There we go. That time it worked out well. And again, you can go ahead and spread out any bumps or creases that you may see. Let's move on to the next step, which is the pillow. So let's scooch the animals out of the way. Now the pillow goes at the head of the bed, which is the top right here. Just move it, and again, spread it out, maybe give it a little shake. And the last thing that my son does is arrange his animals. Now maybe you like to put your stuffed animals up against the pillow, maybe you like to tuck your animals into the blankets. My son likes to take all of his giraffes and just tuck them into the corner like this. So look at this bed. Now it's nice and neat and ready for the next sleep. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. So the work that you've done this week are all examples of practical life skills, activities that happen every day in your own life. Now maybe your grown-up helps you with some of these skills now, but the more that you work on them and the more you practice them, the more comfortable you will become, and soon you'll be completely independent. Join me next week as we wrap up our unit on practical life skills with a focus on independent meal preparation. Definitely one of my favorites. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and find me on outschool.com for my live and interactive classes. Before we go, we have one last song to sing. Can you wave goodbye like this? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you on Monday.